Hey everyone, Waylon here, and welcome back to episode 8 of the 2D game tutorial. Last time we left off, we were scripting our player character to be able to interact with pickups. I've got a quick one for y'all today, because this episode we're going to be diverting away from the current scene and briefly working on a main menu. Now, I'm no artist, but this should set you up to be able to make a basic main menu of your own that is easy to extend on and to iterate on. So, first things first, let's go into Unity and save our current progress on the scene that we've been working on. Not that you really need a reason to constantly save your work, but in this case, I'm doing an extra reminder because we'll be creating a new scene, and when you move away from the current scene into a new scene without saving, you're going to lose all your unsaved progress, and we don't want that. With that being said, let's go into our scenes folder and create a new scene. Let's name it main menu, and in this situation I want to stress that capitalization is very important. It'll save you a lot of headache down the line with not being able to find the right scene. Now we'll open up our main menu scene, and in the hierarchy we're going to right click, go into UI, and create a new canvas. I'm going to rename this our main menu canvas. Inside the main menu canvas, I'm going to create a new UI text object, and I'm going to name it title text. I'm going to readjust the size to be 40, change the alignments to the center ones, and change both horizontal and vertical overflows to be overflow. Now, a lot just happened here, and there are tons of settings to play around with. I encourage you when you're making your own games, whether it's in this project or your projects later on in this course, or even for your own personal passion projects, to play around and adjust the settings to your own liking. For now though, this is what I'm going to go with as it's simple enough for the purposes of this tutorial. Alright, so in the text area, I'm going to give the game a title. There we go. Next, we're going to create a new image inside our main menu canvas. Let's name this image our background. If your text disappeared, make sure that the text is under the image inside the main menu canvas under the hierarchy. I think it's kind of weird like that, but hey, I'm not the one making Unity decisions. Next, in this little area right here with the stretch labels, I'm going to open up that menu and click on the most bottom right option, which should stretch the image and let it adjust to your own screen resolution. Under the rect transform, I'm going to change our left, right, top, and bottom and position to be 0. Under image, I'm going to change the color of the non-existent image to green because hey, that's my favorite color. Feel free to use your own color of choice or to find your own image for this part, but for now, I'm just going to use this ugly green for simplicity. Lastly, I'm going to create a new object under UI called button in the main menu canvas and name it start button. I'm going to change the Y position of the rect transform to be -75 so that it's not clashing with the title of the game. Next, I'm going to expand the button and go into the text and change the text to be start game. Once that's done, we now have our very own basic start screen. Alright, so that just about wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. In the next episode, we're going to be doing largely the same things, except it's going to be for our victory screen and death screens. I'll catch you guys in the next video.